Are intelligent systems going to replace your job? What would you do if soulless robots were taking away your customers? Sales representative robots work instead of you. Is it dangerous if electronic devices powered by artificial intelligence outperform some of your skills? Smart technologies and automation rapidly lead to a radical change in the job market. Do you think this won't affect you? The exponential development of innovations like machine learning, intelligence software, neural networks, and advanced robotics transforms the job market, economy, workflow, and workforce. Your skill transformation will help you. Focus on training and learning new technologies rather than competing against them. Both human and digital intellect can flourish together. Automation is coming either way. Research opportunities to provide new automated services because automation also creates new jobs. Implement digital solutions to support your work effort and initiative. This will strengthen rather than cancel your position.